Right, and so today I'm going to take an overview of this Hotpoint condenser tumble dryer I've just getting. So we'll start with the dial. So the programs are extra dry, cupboard dry, iron dry, e-cotton, synthetics, extra dry, cupboard dry, iron dry, mixed, wool finish, big items, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, and then back to 0. Then we've got the start button, start delay, rapid, gentle, key lock, drum reverse, anti-crease, dry finishing. Then the drawer, which collects the water. And then the door, which is quite stiff. It's not very stiff to open the shed. Fluff filter. The heat exchanger. And that's it.